Howdy, my name is Don. I like to ride motorcycles. I've been doing that for over 40 years. I'm still not real good at it. I also like to shoot videos. Been doing that for over 30 years. I'm still not real good at it. I like riding across the country on my motorcycle, shooting video. Been doing that for over 14 years. Still haven't figured it out. I also like being in the outdoors, doing almost anything in the woods or the desert or on the water. So I tried to combine these things, riding in the outdoors and making videos. I also like making fun of biker culture because we are a funny lot. So I do a lot of moto satire. I also do how-to videos. Not the proper way, but my way. I like talking to other people that like motorcycles. You know, cool or interesting people with something to say. Recently, when I was drunk, I just changed the name of my channel to Moto Giant because I am a giant and I always look like a monkey humping a football. So that is it. If you like any of the stuff that you see here, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell because YouTube hates me and they really don't want you watching any of my videos. Thanks for watching.